What if I told you that the secret to becoming a millionaire isn't luck, a fancy degree, or a lottery ticket, but a set of habits? Yes, actual daily habits practiced by the world's most successful people. Welcome to How to Money. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 proven habits of self-made millionaires. Habits that you can start today to build long-term wealth. Let's go. Self-made millionaires make reading a non-negotiable daily ritual. But they don't just read fiction. They consume books about business, investing, psychology, and self-improvement. Warren Buffett once said he reads 500 pages a day. If you're not learning, you're not earning. Millionaires know where every rupee or dollar goes. Budgeting is not about restriction, it's about control. Tools like YNAB or Mint help them track spending and optimize cash flow. You can't grow what you don't measure. Most millionaires don't just save, they invest. Whether it's index funds, real estate, or dividend stocks, they let compound interest do the heavy lifting. The key? Start small, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. Your network is your net worth. Millionaires build high-value relationships, mentors, peers, investors, and thought leaders. They know that one good conversation can lead to life-changing opportunities. As income increases, average people upgrade their car or phone. Millionaires? They upgrade their investments. They keep living below their means even when they don't have to. That's how wealth multiplies quietly. One income stream is too close to none. The wealthy build multiple: side hustles, royalties, online courses, or digital products. You're watching this on YouTube, the perfect platform for building passive income. Start your day like a millionaire. No phone, no chaos. Just clarity. Journaling, light exercise, reading, and goal setting are common among top performers. A strong morning routine sets the tone for success. These 7 habits aren't reserved for the rich. They're available to you right now. Start small. Start today. Which habit will you pick first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to How to Money for more content on how to grow your money the smart way.